Today, let's unleash the magic in your cooking with one fundamental skill: seasoning. It's more than just salt and pepper. Mastering a few simple principles will transform your dishes to culinary masterpieces every single time. First, and most crucial, season in layers. Don't just scatter all your salt at the end. Infuse your aromatics as they cook. Kiss your meat with flavor when you sear it. Awaken your liquid as it simmers. Each layer weaves flavor from the ground up, creating profound depth, not just mere saltiness. Next, the dynamic duo, salt and pepper. For salt, embrace kosher salt or sea salt. Their sparkling crystal structure offers unrivaled control and flawless distribution, banishing the metallic whisper of iodized table salt. For pepper, fresh ground is an absolute revelation. The aroma and vibrant bite are simply celestial. Principle 3, taste, taste, taste. This is where many miss their culinary destiny. You can always add more, you can't subtract. Begin with a whisper, taste, and adjust. Especially when reducing sauces, flavors intensify dramatically, so what was perfect before might become a salty symphony afterward. And this leads us to Principle 4, harmonize with other flavors in your dish. Salt isn't just about making things salty, it illuminates other flavors. It brightens citrus, balances bitterness, and even makes sweet things sing with sweetness. A zesty touch of acidity, perfectly seasoned, can pierce through richness and make a dish truly shine. Finally, dare to explore other seasonings. While salt and pepper are your enchanting foundation, herbs, spices, and specialty salts unlock incredible depth. Think about the cuisine and its timeless flavors. A smoky whisper of paprika, a fragrant sprig of rosemary, or a fiery dash of cumin can elevate your food to new heights. Start small, taste, and discover your flavor destiny. So, there you have it. Simple principles to master the art of seasoning and cook with unwavering confidence. Remember, layer, embrace your salt and pepper, taste constantly, harmonize flavors, and explore. Try these transformative tips and let me know in the comments how it goes. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.